Welcome to Ziro Studio's Advanced Features video. Today we will cover all the features you can utilize once you've created an account and logged in. Now that we are logged in with this test account, we can see that I have no projects, lists, or anything starred. On the community page, projects are sorted by our star rating system. Let's search for the for loop project from our previous video. I'm going to star this project since it was helpful to me. The project now shows up in starred under my projects, which can be useful for finding projects you've liked in the past. If your starred list gets too hectic, you can always unstar a project. To help organize projects, whether they are your own or from the community page, we've created lists. Let's create a list of awesome projects. Let's run this Dominoes project and see what it does. I think this is certified as awesome, so I'll start and add it to my awesome projects list. We can see that it shows up in the list, which can be a great way to organize projects. Next, let's create our own project. After adding a project title and description, we can also add tags by simply typing them in. Since this is a basic project, I'm going to add coding and learning as tags. This is the base code that shows up with any project. The environment is an infinite plane, and the robot moves forward and stops. Let's create a separate list of really awesome projects that we'll put personal projects in. We'll add our project 1 to it, and now we have two lists. One for personal projects, and one for projects from the community page. Let's quickly cover some other organizational tools with larger lists. I'm going to quickly add some more projects from the community page. Now that our awesome projects list is populated with projects, I can reorder this list simply by dragging projects wherever I want them to be. This can be useful for creating a curriculum or lesson plan, or simply reorganizing a list how you want. It's also worth mentioning the thumbnail for the list will correspond to the first project in the list, so whatever project is at the top will also represent the list, as far as the thumbnail is concerned. Let's show how you can change or add that thumbnail quickly with our Robot Moving Too Fast project. This is a modified project based on the earlier Dominoes demo that we'll show you how to create later in the video. Go ahead and click Run, and whenever you feel a good screenshot opportunity presents itself, hit Stop. You can then use the mouse to move the camera around for a better angle, and whenever you are ready, click the camera icon on the top right of the virtual world window. This will allow you to save your screenshot locally, as well as automatically update the project thumbnail just by clicking the camera icon. As we can see, the project thumbnail is updated in the My Projects tab. This can be a great way to get more views on the community page and make your project stand out. Let's go ahead and recreate that Robot Moving Way Too Fast project. It's a modified version of this Dominoes project, as I mentioned earlier. We're going to create a copy of this project. This now exists in My Projects and can be edited however I want. Let's hit Run and see the original functionality. As the saying goes, good artists copy and great artists steal. So let's steal this project and make the robot run really fast. We can see the robot moves differently, sometimes even breaking the virtual environment. While this is easy for me to fix, since I only changed 2 lines of code, getting your project back to its original functionality might not be so easy with complex projects or edits. To reset the project back to its original state, you can go back to the original project and copy and paste the lines of code. Lastly, let's add a separate title to this edited Dominoes demo. To reiterate, once logged in, you can create your own projects, organize these projects by lists, star them, and modify existing projects through the Copy Project feature, if you don't want to start from scratch. We hope you can make use of all of these advanced features and enjoy learning and creating in Ziro Studio.